Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. Because you know what time it is. It's time for the top luxurious runners to put those toes to the fire. That's right, we talking about the Mercedes boys. The Mercedes boys are in the building and they ready to go yabba dabba. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Sadie's boys down? Or will the Sadie's boys take those luxurious toes, douse them with gasoline, light them on fire, and shove them down the top demon's throat and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get downright sinister, Sadie's boy style. Okay, we got the Mercedes. Shout out to the truckers. Look at that sun. That sun is on 1,000 degrees right now. It's on cook mode. Look at it. Don't it look hot? Pull over, punk. We just wanna talk. Okay, he pulling over, which is odd. I would have thought he would have took off. Right by the way station though? What kind of Mercedes is that?
RCY 423.
It's clean. Dual exhaust. Is it black? I wonder what they pulled him over for. He didn't look like he was speeding. Officer Wright, don't tell me you out here mo-filing Mercedes.
Mississippi, Robert Charles Young 423. Just wait on black C300 Mercedes-Benz.
C300. Is the C300 fast, y'all? Oh, did he just throw something out the window? Hold on, did he throw something out the window? Hold on, let's go back. Let's see if he threw something out the window. I thought he threw something.
Robert Charles Young 423. Just wait on black C300 Mercedes-Benz.
I thought I saw him throw something. Yeah, he did throw something. What was that? Did the officer see it? I wonder if the officer saw him throw that. Looked like he saw it. Man, you should have waited till he got on the other side of the car and tossed it out the other side, man. Wonder what it was. Was it baggy? Maybe the cop didn't see it. Maybe he got lucky. Maybe he got lucky. I would have tossed that bad boy into oncoming traffic. Soon as the officer would have went to the right side of the car, I would have chucked it like Nolan Ryan. I wonder if it's a Chad in there. This look like a Chad type of car, man. Chadookie. Is it a Chadookie, y'all? Is Francisco in the passenger side saying, listen here, you didn't see us throw anything, officer. We didn't throw nothing. You are lying on us. Francisco in there explaining everything. We don't gotta answer no questions. Read me my rights. It's gotta be scorching out there the way that sun look. Oh, he know exactly where he threw it at, y'all. Look, he knew exactly what he threw. What was it? Baggy? Oh no, that's a pistola. That's some weaponry. Oh, it's over. It's a wrap. Oh, he out of here. He fell down. Did y'all see the trooper fall? Yeah, but dabba do. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my luxurious toes, Satan. I hope you're ready. He tripping. He should have took off the minute he threw it. He tripping, man. Why did you even throw that out? They may not even search the car. I hope that car fast. I hope you didn't get the food stamp version. I hope you didn't get the food stamp version Mercedes. I don't know how fast he going, y'all. He definitely flying, though. He definitely got that thing open all the way. He got it open like your girl's throat. Always open. Yeah, I said it. Is that him? I know he didn't catch up to you that fast, man. Ain't no way. Man, he tripped. How'd he catch up so fast? He got the food stamp version, man. I know that sun is on beam. I'm sweating just looking at it. Hold on. Maybe he didn't get the food stamp version. He pulling away. Oh, he moving. He running for his life. You better run, Forrest. Run, Forrest. Run. That boy running for his life. Man, he hawked that Mercedes down like it wasn't nothing. I thought that Mercedes was gonna be fast. It's got some good handling though. But you need speed, especially on a straightaway versus a Charger. You gotta have speed. That boy running like I used to run to them school lunches. I was hungry. Oh, he moving. Just not moving fast enough. I think he would be better if he got off the highway. I don't think the highway is working out for him. He ain't fast enough. Oh my, not the Durango coming out of nowhere. He tricked him. What was that? What was that? Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, he got away. Oh, he ran into a semi. Man, that Durango came out of nowhere. Walker, Texas Ranger. Look at him. Look at Walker, Texas Ranger. RoboCop, pull over, punk. You're coming with me, dead or alive. Is that a Pookie in there? Officer Terminator, look at him. Sergeant Roberts. Look at, oh, there we crashed into the, that truck driver, he like, man. Show me your hand. Show me your hand. That's crazy. Did you see how Officer Roberts came out of nowhere? Like T-1000? With the poly alloy? That's crazy. Officer Roberts said, listen here, I ain't got time to play. I'm coming to eliminate. Yeah, this happened in Little Rock on the 17th, 6/17/2026. He got charged with fleeing, possession of a firearm, aggravated assault, criminal mischief. What's that? Fictitious license plate, no insurance, reckless driving, throwing destructive material on the highway. Bond came out to be like, man, probably about what, 1,014, that's 1,500. About 1,700. $1,700 bond. 1,700 bond. Look at him. Old school Pookie. Triple OG Pookie. Out here still doing Pookie type things. We got to stop this, baby. It's time to sit on down, bro.
It's time to sit on down, Triple OG. Come on now.
Meet me in the comments, man. This is nasty work, man. You throw the pistol out the window when the cop can see it. Then he go right over there and find it. And you decide, you know what, I got to run, man. I got to put my feet all the way down. It's Freddy time. Watch him fall, though. You see the officer fall? Boy ain't athletic at all. How you fall over your own feet? He tripping over his own feet is diabolical. But yeah, my boy was nasty work right there, man. And he was a chocolate Pookie. It was a Pookie. It was an old school Pookie, y'all. Watch the officer in the Durango come out of nowhere. Look at him. Walker, Texas Ranger. Then he shook him right there. Look, I don't know how he made that bonehead decision right there. How you crash out, man? That's crazy. Look at it, old school Pookie. But with that being said, hopefully y'all enjoyed the chase, man. I try to get y'all something real quick. I got to get on up out of here, man. I got to get in this semi and go make this money, man. But I figured I'd drop the Werewolf Pack a quick little video, see what's cracking. Y'all sent it to me. I wanted to see what is cracking. I said, oh, this ain't that long of a video. Don't check it out, man. See what they talking about. Young Pookie strikes again. Well, I should say old school Pookie strikes again. He made the Sadie's boys look like garbage. But meet me in the comments, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this video. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you got a couple of hype points left over for your boy, drop them in the Avengers Cup. It's very much appreciated. But with that being said, let me leave y'all with some positivity. Why do you think you got forever to keep procrastinating? Time is running out. You keep on procrastinating and time is steady ticking. You don't have forever. You better listen to me, especially if you're young. I know you're young right now, so you don't think you're going to get old. I used to think the same thing. But you're going to get older. You're going to get older. You need to start making decisions that's going to set your older life up to be easy more than hard. Listen, ain't nothing wrong with being a greeter at Walmart, but you don't want to do that at the old age. You don't want to have to be out there working when you don't. Get your affairs in order now so you ain't got to be working at an old age. You're supposed to be enjoying your old age. You ain't supposed to be at stinking Walmart working. You know what I'm saying? Nothing against people that work at Walmart. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is when you're 80, you shouldn't be out there working. 75, 80, you shouldn't be out there. You shouldn't be out there. And it's times it's hard. So if they're hard now, they're going to be extra hard when you turn to that age. I'm just saying, get your stuff together, stop procrastinating, start making things happen now instead of waiting for later. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. Just pull over. Take the charge. Just pull over. Pull over, especially if you don't know how to drive, But with that being said, if you are going to be a diabolican, I need you to do one thing. Don't, I repeat, don't buy the food stamp version Mercedes.